All right, my name is Israel with Top Gun. I'm going to go and conduct the new modernization pre-trip on the outer exterior. You are allowed to go ahead and have this as a guide during your exam for your outer exterior pre-trip. So I'm going to go ahead and start at the front, all the way to the top. We have our trailer clearance lights. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. Also amber in color, and they worked as they should. From there, we have our tractor. In the center, the three lights, those are the clearance lights for the tractor. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. Also amber in color. Then from there, we have our our marker lights on each side. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and also amber in color, and they work as they should. From there, we have our marker lights on each side of our tractor. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, amber in color. Then we have our turn signals on each side. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and also amber in color and work as they should. Then we have our headlights on both sides. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and clear in color. From there, we're going to move down to our license plate. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's free of debris. All the hardware is present, and it's up to date. We're also going to look underneath our tractor and physically see that the tractor is not leaning left or right. It is not, and there's no oil or coolant on the ground. We're going to continue on with our lenses. We have the one on our tractor on our driver's side. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. Also amber in color and works as it should. From there, we're going to go to our trailer. We have 50% DOT tape running all the way along the side of the trailer. We have our trailer light. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's amber in color, and it works as it should. Then from there, we're going to move to our cross member and frame. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There is no illegal wheels or any illegal drill holes. From there, we're going to go to our ABS light. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. Amber in color, works as it should. We got our marker light on our trailer. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and red in color. From there, we're going to go ahead, proceed to the back of the trailer. We're going to go ahead and start at the top, just like we did on our tractor and our trailer from the front. On the back, we have our clearance lights. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, red in color. We have our door seal all the way around. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, or leaking. All our rivets are present on the back of our door. Then we have our door latch. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It is in the lock position. All the hardware is present. From there, we're going to go to our trailer turn signals on both sides. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, red in color, and worked as they should. Then we're going to have our trailer running lights and brake lights in the center. Our trailer on both sides are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, red in color, and worked as they should. Then we have our trailer tag light. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, also clear in color. Then we have our trailer tag. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. It's free of debris, and it's up to date. Then we have our DOT bumper. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. We have 100% DOT tape running all the way across the back, and it's at proper height. On the side of the trailer, if there's anything that's unique or different from the driver's side to the passenger side, you would point that out on your outer exterior pre-trip. Since there's not, it still has a trailer turn signal only on this side. There's nothing that you have to pre-trip on this side of the trailer. From there, we'll finish all our lights and lenses. That's here on our checklist. We have our tractor turn signal. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, amber in color, and it works as it should. From there, we're going to go ahead and proceed to our fuel tank. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's secured by saddle straps and rubber garment. It's not digging into the tank, and there is no leaks on the ground. Then we have our steps. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. It is free of debris, and obviously it can support my weight. Then we have my fuel cap. My fuel cap is properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's also secured by a safety chain and seal, and it is on tight. From there, we're going to proceed to the front of the truck, and we're going to go ahead and open the hood. Make sure that you stand in front of the hood to support the weight as you open the hood of the tractor. We're going to go over here to this side. As soon as we open the hood, first thing we need to look at is make sure that all my hoses and all my clamps are properly mounted, secured. They're not cracked or broken. And there is no signs of any oil or coolant on the ground. From there, we're going to go ahead and check the reservoirs, all three. First, we're going to start off from the top as well with my coolant reservoir. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's filled to manufacturer spec. All the hardware is present, and the cap is on tight. Then we're going to go to my power steering reservoir. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. It's filled to manufacturer spec, and the cap is on tight. Then my windshield washer fluid reservoir. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. Filled to manufacturer spec, and of course, the cap is also on tight. Then from there, we're done with the reservoirs. We're going to go to my oil fill tube and dipstick. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's filled to manufacturer spec, and you would check this with the engine off. From there, we go to our transmission, oil fill tube, and dipstick. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's filled to manufacturer spec, and you would check this with the engine running. From there, we're going to go to my steering shaft. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. We have no more than 10 degrees of play, and it is properly greased. From there, we go to my steering U-joints. We have one here on the bottom, and we have one here on the top. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and properly greased. From there, it's connected to my power steering gearbox. My power steering gearbox is properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All my lines and hoses going to it are not leaking, and my hardware is present. From there, it's connected to my pitman arm. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and is connected by a castle nut and a cotter key. My pitman arm, it's connected to my drag link. My drag link is properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It's connected with a castle nut and a cotter key. Then from there, it's connected to this upper control arm or steering knuckle. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. And it's also secured by a castle nut and a cotter key. From there, last on the steering, it is the tie rod end. The tie rod end. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and it's also secured by a castle nut and a cotter key. Now that concludes my steering. Now we're going to go ahead and go to my suspension. On my suspension, we got to cover that my leaf spring hangers on both sides are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and all the hardware is present. Then we go from there to my leaf springs. My leaf springs. My main leaf spring can have no damage. My secondary leaf spring can have up to 25%. If there is an indication of a loose leaf spring, you would know that by my U-bolts and my saddle. They're properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and on my U-bolts and saddle, all my hardware is present that holds my U-bolts. Last but not least, on the suspension is my shock. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present on top and bottom, and it's not leaking. From here, that concludes my suspension. Now we're going to move to my brakes right here. My airline, canister, and clamp are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, not leaking. From there, we go to my brake drum, which is right there. My brake drum is round, it's steel, it's properly mounted, secured, it's not cracked or broken. There is no illegal welds. From there, we're going to go to my brake shoes, which is right here. My brake shoes are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There's no signs of any excessive heat or any oil, grease, or contaminants. If there was any oil, grease, or contaminants in this section, that would indicate an inner wheel seal. And my brake shoes cannot have any less than a 1/4 inch of material. From there, we're going to go to my steer. We're going to start off with ABC. No abrasions, bulges, or cuts on all 3 sides. We have to have even wear. We cannot have any less than 4/32, and you would check that with a thread depth gauge. And on my steer, it cannot be a recap or regroove. From there, we're going to go to my steel rim. It is round, it is steel, it's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There is no illegal welds. From there, we're going to go to my lug nuts. All my lug nuts are all present. They're all properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. If there was an indication of a loose lug nut, there'll be a rust trail in between the lug nuts, and right here on my studs, there would be metal shavings. If it was an aluminum wheel, there'll be a white powdery substance around my lug nut. And on my wheel, they cannot be wallered out. Last but not least is my steel valve stem. It's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. It is straight, it is steel, and it is properly capped. And you would actually check this, obviously, with a thread depth gauge, just like that. And it All right, and you would check this with a thread depth gauge, just like that. All right, next we're going to move to our steps. My steps are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. It's free of debris, and of course it can support my weight. From there, we're going to move to our battery box. My battery box is properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There's no signs of any excessive heat or leaking. Then from there, we're going to go to my battery cables. Same thing, ABC, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and there is no corrosion. On my battery cables, going to my batteries, all my lugs are all present. They're properly mounted, secured, none of them are cracked or broken, and my positive and negatives are not crossed. From there, we're going to go to my air tanks. My air tanks, my emergency and service, primary and secondary air tanks are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and they're not leaking. From there, we'll go to my frame and cross member. My frame and cross member are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There is no illegal welds or any illegal drill holes. From there, we're going to go to my coupling. On my coupling, we have my electrical pigtail. My electrical pigtail on both ends are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There is, again, ABC, no abrasions, bulges, or cuts, and no corrosion. And I will show you that just like that. There's no corrosion. And from there, that concludes everything in the electrical pigtail. From there, we're going to go to my emergency and my service. Glide hand and glide hand seals are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and they're not leaking. From there, we're going to go to my fifth wheel mount, which is this right here. My fifth wheel mount, it's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All the hardware is present. And my fifth wheel skid plate it's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. There is no daylight between my fifth wheel skid plate and my trailer apron.
Ready.
All right. My fifth wheel release handle, it's all the way in the lock position. I know so because my locking jaw is around my kingpin, and this right here is my drawbar. It's all the way across, and it's properly greased. Okay, after you finish your coupling, you're going to go ahead and go to your tractor and your landing gear. Make sure you tell the examiner that there's sufficient clearance between my tractor and my landing gear. Then my landing gear, it's properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken. All my hardware is present, and my landing gear pads or feet are properly mounted, secured, not cracked or broken, and they are all the way in the raised position. Then last but not least, my landing gear handle. High, low works as it should, and of course, it is properly stowed. That concludes the new modernization outer exterior.